All praise is due to Allah. Praise or response to His friends, Hazrat Muhammad Mustafa sallallahu alaihi wasallam, the honorable President's experienced judge, and my respectful teacher and my dearest nearest students, brothers. At first, take my cordial salam. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Now I decide to lecture of my subject, the history of Yom Ashura. Dear audience, it falls on the 10th of Muharram, the first month of the Islamic lunar calendar. The day is very important to the Muslim Ummah for some regions. Ashura is one of these days of Allah, and it is too important to respect and pay attention. Its virtues and history. Dear audience, Allah created the skies and earth on this day, along with this preserved tablet. Dear audience, Allah created Jannah. Dear audience, Allah created angel Jibreel alayhi salam. Dear audience, Allah created Adam alayhi salam as well as Hawa alayhi salam. Dear audience, Allah enabled Adam alayhi salam and He accepted his repentance and He forgave Adam alayhi salam. Dear audience, it is the day when Allah saved Musa alayhi salam and his followers and some children of Israel.